Hey there! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new blog post on your website step by step. I'll also point out some important settings you'll want to pay attention to, especially things that help your post look great and get found online. Let's get started. First, once you're logged into your Wix account, and head to the dashboard for the website. On the left sidebar you'll see an option called Blog. Let's go ahead and click on that. Once that loads, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and click on Create New Post. At the very top right here is going to be your title. We want to, when we're making our title, we want to try to make it clear and interesting, and this is what will grab people's attention. So let me just do that. Next, you come down here and you can start writing your article. You can type, or you can copy and paste. And to add an image or images throughout, all you got to do is click on the little plus sign, and we're going to go click here or here. We're going to go to your gallery for this example, and we'll just pick an existing. And we'll add that to the page. And depending on the original size of the medium, you can either shrink it or enlarge it. This one was a pretty small image, dimension-wise, that I had used for these examples. So you're not going to be able to do a whole lot with it, but your other pieces that you have throughout your uploads and your media, I think those were larger, so you should have no problem enlarging or making them smaller, resizing. And you can pick if you want different layouts for your media. If you wanted to add more, you can do that. That's not a problem. So we've got our media in place. And you just want to make sure that whenever you're writing your blog posts that you include headers throughout. So if you have different sections, just put a header on it. It breaks up the section, and you can add bullet points or bold important text, and you can use links throughout the page so that you can link to other pages, or if you want to link to an outside page, you can do that easily. Let's show you right here. Just kidding. Take it, highlight it right here, and then you can enter in your link. So that way, if somebody does click on that, it's clickable and it will take them to the Google page or wherever you want to send it. Once you've got your blog post created, you want to go over here and actually get the settings in place, the proper settings. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side and we're going to click Settings. Right here, you want to insert a featured image. This is important. This actually is the image that will be shown on your blog archive or your page that shows all of your blog posts. And this image is what is shown on featured blog post. So it's pretty important that you include this. And again, it's the same as adding any image. You're just going to hit the plus sign, and then you can either upload your image or you can select existing. And make sure and adjust your writer, especially for you. Just make sure that you're chosen. And then your excerpt is important. It is going to be a 1 to 2 sentence summary of what your article is about or your blog post is about, just to kind of pique somebody's interest to get them to read more. Once we do that, we're going to go up here. We've got categories, and I went ahead and I did set you some up. You don't have to use them. You can easily add new right here and select that, but you want to choose preferably, at least you want to do one. I wouldn't do any more than 2 categories on here, and then it just makes it so much easier for organizing and for readers to follow. That way they can, if they come across a category they like, they can click on that category and they'll be given more blog posts within that category. And then the same with tags. Tags is another, it's another type of way to organize your blog posts. I did set some up, but you easily can go in and add whatever you need. You can do up to 30. So, and then let's go ahead and move on to your SEO. From your SEO, you want to give it a focus keyword. So your focus keyword, you really want to keep it fairly short. A keyword can be more than one word. And this is going to be used more for search engines to be able to find you or find your article. So let's say you're doing a blog post about an art exhibit that you've done. You can either make that keyword art exhibit, or you could make it art exhibit at and where that was. And then we want to go down here. All of that should be filled in if you have done the settings correctly right here. And if you have a decent amount of information within your blog post, that will fill in. So you should be good. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything. Last thing, you want to go ahead, let's save it. And then we're going to preview. And when you preview, this will show you what it actually renders on your blog. So yeah, that's it. It told you it's not hard to do. It's new. It's kind of scary. You got this. You've got this. You've learned how to create and publish a blog post on your Wix website now. Plus you got the important settings to help your posts get seen and organized. Taking just a little bit of extra time with your settings, like your SEO, your categories, and your images, really helps your posts reach more people and look their best. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.